Hi Sagittarius, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. So gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading for the month of August 2024 and maaaring mag-resonate to on to the next 3 to 6 months. From today, ang current timestamp natin ay 12:03 PM tanghali at August 7, 2024. Okay? So, maaari na mag-resonate sa certain collective dahil ito ay isang collective reading, and if it doesn't resonate with you, Sagittarius, it only means na ang reading na to ay hindi para sa inyo. I will tap into your energy, who knows, by next month. Okay? And sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat sa pakikinig na inyong mga monthly Tagalog reading. It's greatly appreciated. Alright, Sagittarius Collective, isa-shuffle ko lang muna mga cards again in front of the camera, and I'll see you guys in few seconds. Okay? Welcome back, Sagittarius. So, sisimulan na natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Ang current timestamp ay 12:05 PM, August 7, 2024. At ang gagamitin natin deck ay ang Moonology Oracle cards. Okay? Mga moon phases yan. Alright, are you ready? Kukuha tayo ng 7 cards as usual. If you're familiar sa format natin, ito ay isang general reading. So, okay? Pwede siya sa career, money, family situation, love life. Okay? Anything can come up. Alright. So, at position 1, sorry, napalakas, no? Position 2, position 3. Kita ba sa camera to? Masyadong maliwanag, no? Okay. Ayan. Position 4, 5, 6, and at the center. Okay. Let's start, no? Sa position 1 nyo, nakalagay dito, no? New Moon in Scorpio. Okay? So, New Moon means new cycle, no? And may endings and beginnings tayo dito. Work through your fears. Okay? So, may, ito yung feeling kong kailangan mong finally na i-work on, no? Kasi yung release either something na completely kailangan mo i-let go and something that you need to finally work on or acknowledge. So, work through your fears. May mga fears ka ba? Or you're working or operating, no, sa fear-based mentality. So, I think, kailangan mong i-assess ano ba yung fear mo lately ngayon sa buhay mo. Re-evaluate. Is this fear sa commitment? Fear ba na you don't have enough? Fear of the future? Whatever it is, fear na about parang you're unable to or capable to accomplish things, no? This are fear-based mentality. Pag nasa fear-based mentality tayo kasi, medyo mababa ang ating vibration. So, ang tendency, ang maaari nating ma-attract dyan ay mga low vibrational din ng mga situations, people, and events. So, it's more like a reminder sa'yo, Sagittarius, for August all the way to the next 3 to 6 months na to work through your inner fears, no? Kasi nagiging roadblock siya for you para makapag-accomplish ng mga greater things sa buhay mo. Ano yung mga fears mo na yun, and try to maybe parang alam mo yun, i-eliminate sila. How do you eliminate fears? Of course, positive affirmations, self-concept, okay? Ang sinasabi dito, if you continue to parang i-revamp mo the way you think about yourself, yung self-esteem natin, itataas natin. The way you feel about yourself, you have to feel good. Now, how do you do that? It takes 21 days to work on a new habit, a new thoughts, a new feelings, no, na something positive. So, let's say, you're doing some affirmation, journaling, gratitude, or parang visualization. Continue doing that consistently for the next 21 days. Morning, evening, and afternoon. Try to make some time to correct the habits para ma-vanish ang ating mga fear-based mentality. Okay, Sag? Now, sa second position naman, yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy kasi nakita mo to, New Moon, and then nandiyan si Scorpio. Okay? Just to show you na yan ang unang card mo. Position 2, Full Moon naman siya in Taurus. Full Moon, brightly illuminated. Sa kanina may water sign. So, I think, yung fears na to is based on emotions, no? Okay? So, work on it. Now, emotions running high. So, dapat, you are in control sa thoughts and emotions mo. Pag nakakontrol natin the way we think, the way we feel, or how we feel, then mo mamamaster ang buhay mo. It's life coaching. Okay? Ganyan magmaster ng buhay. And then, sa position 2, ang sabi dito, ito yung kailangan may pagpatuloy. Your dreams need a practical plan. Okay, so, Taurus is more practical kasi may earth energy to. Illumination, brightly illuminated, full moon in Taurus. So, brightly illuminated na may Taurus ka pa. So, is that good as saying na it's as clear as the moon ngayon? The moon is shining bright, no? Para sa Taurus. It means, no, it's greatly parang naka-emphasize na ito yung kailangan may pagpatuloy. Na yung dream mo, kailangan mas maging practical ka. Hindi tayo pwedeng nagde-daydreaming and then walang action. Okay? Wala tayong ginagawa to work on our dream, no? So, let's say, gusto mong maging sikat na artista, na singer, no? These dreams na parang you keep on dreaming on them, pero parang sabi mo, parang ang hirap naman makamit ng pangarap ko na to, hanggang pangarap na lang ba siya? Hindi. Huwag mong isipin ganun kasi lahat ng pangarap natin, kailangan na practical plan. Kung gusto mo maging certified at something like ako, gusto ko maging certified business analyst, then kailangan ko ng practical plan, kailangan ko mag-aral, kailangan ko mag-upskill. That is just one example. Kung gusto mo makahanap ng specific person or sa pag-ibig, you need a practical plan. Hindi ka naman makakapag-draw in ng pag-ibig kung lagi tayong nasa bahay, tapos hindi rin naman tayo nagsa-social media, wala tayo sa dating app. So, para ka na sa kumbento, ganun ba? So, your dream need a practical plan. So, go out there, mingle, assimilate, get to know people, no? Na syempre ka vibration mo. Stick to your standards naman. So those are just one example such. Okay? Now, sa position 3, manifestation. Full moon uli in Cancer naman, water element. Okay? So sabi, a personal issue reaches resolution. Sa manifestation mo, okay, may tinatry tayong i-manifest, Sagittarius. Ang maganda dito sa manifestation na ginagawa mo, it's something very personal sa'yo. Na naging issue na siya, na it could be na everyday iniisip natin, paano natin makukuha ang sagot, paano natin makakamtan, paano natin maayos. Kasi sa buhay natin, any area sa buhay natin, kailan natin maayos to, kailan natin makakamtan. The more you think and feel about dun sa situation na yan, but in a good way, para ma-manifest mo yung in a good way din na result, no? So, it looks like magkakaroon na ng resolution, whatever personal issue na yan. Okay? Ang technique kasi sa manifestation is that guard mo yung thoughts and feelings mo. Dapat laging mas dominant yung positive. It's okay mag-entertain ng negative thought. Pero dapat at the end of the day, pag gising mo at bago ka matulog, positive, mas dominant. And throughout the day, mas positive. Okay? Yung nararamdaman at mga iniisip natin. So, para it reaches the resolution or the conclusion na okay, na-manifest ko to. It's near na. Malapit na raw ma-manifest to para sa'yo. Okay? Itong personal issue na to, whatever it is, magkakaroon daw to ng reconciliation at ng masasagot na ng universe at ng Panginoon yung dalangin mo, yung dinidesire natin. Okay? Yung bagay na gustong-gusto nating ma-resolve. Whatever it is, sa trabaho man yan, naghahanap ka ng work, naghahanap tayo ng income, success sa business natin, business is booming na. Eventually, di ba? Oh, may trabaho na ako eventually. You know, claim it, no, positively, no. Huwag tayo mag-isip na masyadong negative. And at the same time, kung love life man to, finally, nagkabati na kami na SP ko, ng specific person ko. Pero, yun lang, continue focusing. Work through your fears nga, tapos, yun yung the practical plan, okay? Para makamtan tong resolution na to. Okay, I felt like integrated, no, or interrelated tong tatlong cards mo, Sagittarius. Okay? Now, at fourth position, external energy. You see, new moon ulit. New moon in Libra, new moon and scale. Ang maganda dito, external energy to. Ini-influence ka. Pero ito, ang dahilan nito, hindi mo ito kinos ng tadhana, ng faith, ng divine, ng Panginoon, no, ng universe. A new romantic cycle begins. So, sa love is in the air. No, yun ang external energy mo. Love is in the air. No, maybe someone will come back kasi new romantic cycle ko to, someone you know. Pwede rin na is a new love interest na tinatry mo rin i-manifest, no? But kung love man to, may resolution, no? Personal issue mo could be love life, no? May reconciliation na darating para sa Sagittarius, ang sabi ng Moon in Libra. So, yan ang currently external influence mo from the month of August all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Maaaring mag-resonate. So, expect someone coming around, someone sa radar mo, no? Pwede rin na nandiyan pa sila, maali-aligid lang, no? They're orbiting, kumbaga. But be careful lang sa mga orbiter or mga paasa. But if something or someone brings in, a situation brings in more stable communication or commitment, all the better, diba? So, a new romantic cycle begins. So, enjoy lang natin, no? Someone is orbiting, no? At maaaring magbalik. Okay, sa 5th position mo naman, nandyan ang Sagittarius. Ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. North Node. North Node, hindi talaga siya buwan, no? Pero may node sa North, no? Ayan. Ang sabi dito sa North Node, step out of your comfort zone. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. Do things na hindi mo pa nagagawa before. Ba na maaari mong ma-realize na, oy, gusto ko to. Diba? Let's say, kung matagal ka nang hindi nagdi-dating app, then go on a dating app. Kung may mga job specifications na dumadating sa'yo, na parang feeling mo hindi ka comfortable gawin kasi it's an unfamiliar territory, be brave enough na i-take yung challenge. Kahit sa business venture, let's say feeling mo ito yung business na maganda pero hindi ka familiar, then do a feasibility study, baka mag-succeed ka doon. And with your family naman, do something na hindi nyo masyado laging ginagawa pero fun, no? And with your friends as well. Like, kung you're not into hiking, you're not into running, then with your friends, then baka mag-join ka ng mga activities na ganun. Eventually, it will bring in something more positive sa'yo kasi baka makapag-create ka ng bagong mga network, no? You go to the gym to buff, no? To be healthy. It's something na hindi mo nagagawa before. But do things na parang hindi ka familiar, hindi tayo komportable, and eventually, ang ending kasi nito, you probably end up liking it, no? Magugustuhan mo siya. Okay, so step up of your comfort zone para ma-challenge mo rin yung sarili mo na I can do so much pa pala, no? Na parang kaya ko pang i-stretch yung sarili ko at may ibibigay pa pala ako. Yun yung point doon sa Sagittarius, okay? Now, sa ating new beginnings, touch, blue moon. Ang blue moon kasi once in a while, but it exists, diba? So, sabi, believe in the impossible sa mga new beginnings mo. So, I felt strongly kasi may pagka-nega tayo, no? Kasi work through your fears, eh. Yung kailangan tanggalin mo yan. Tapos, ito pa, a personal issue reaches resolution, pero you need to be more practical, no? Sa mga ambitions, desires mo, and mga plano sa buhay, no? So, kaya nga, believe in the impossible. Kasi may mga plano tayo, lahat naman ng dreams natin need a practical plan, no? So, walang imposible talaga sa buhay. Kahit ang blue mo nag-exist once in a while. So, ang point dito, sa mga new beginnings mo, may gusto kang bagong simula sa area ng buhay mo. Remember na, ang sinasabi ni Neville Goddard sa Law of Assumption and Law of Attraction, creation is already finished. At multiverse already exists. There are infinite possibilities sa situation mo. Let's say, naghahanap ka ng trabaho. There are infinite possibilities. You could be working overseas. That's one multiverse. Pwede ka rin na nag-work sa Philippines. That's one multiverse. Pwede rin na nag-work ka as a businessman. That's one multiverse. So, believe in the impossible dahil creation is finished. Yung gusto mo, nandiyan na sa universe. It's just a matter of how you will bring in yan sa reality mo. Okay, Sagittarius? So, sa new beginning mo, walang imposible. Yan sinasabi. Kasi, remember, creation is finished. Okay? Ako naniniwala kung it is, whatever we desire, nandyan na yun. It's about like parang magka-quantum jump ka lang or magka-quantum shift ka lang sa frequency na yan para ma-bring in mo sa reality mo yung gusto mong posibilidad. Okay? Now, at the center naman, ito yung kailangang matutunan. You have yet to learn or natutunan mo recently lang, nothing is yet set in stone. Mutable moon. Okay, pag mutable, diba, nagbabago-bago. No? Mutable moon, sa si moon is nagbabago-bago ng phases, ng position, you know, nothing is yet set in stone. Yun yung dapat mong matutunan dito. Huwag tayo magpaka-fixated sa isang outcome lang, no? Like I said, why do I have this energy? Believe in the impossible. Like I said, I talk about multiverse. Creation is finished. So, nothing is yet set in stone. So, it's up to you kung paano, you know, ang future is not set in stone because tayo ang gumagawa ng future natin. Everything is you push out. Yung mga nararamdaman at naiisip mo, yan ang makikita mo sa reality mo. So, everything is you push out. Yan ang sinasabi sa Law of Assumption. Pag inaaral mo sila. So, nothing is yet set in stone. You decide. Ano yung gusto mong makita sa future mo? Okay, the past is over. Tapos na yan na-manifest mo na. So, even yung split second na nakaraan, like 12:19 p.m. ngayon, yung 12 o'clock, past na yan. Diba? 12 p.m. past na yan. It's not you anymore. So, continue. The only thing we have is the present. Kasi, everything in the present is what you manifest. Okay? In the coming days, tomorrow, in the coming hours. So, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay? So, believe that, there's no fixed outcome yet, no? So, everything is possible. And creation is finished. So, whatever you desire, nandyan yan. So, if you desire a job, nandyan yan eh. It's only about quantum jumping, no? If change mo rin yung self-concept mo na, I am successful. Kung love ang, my love, my SP is here with me now. Kahit, alam mo yung feeling mo, sa 3D, wala naman talaga tayo, single tayo. But, you assume already na nandyan na yung wish mo. So, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay? It's up to you. Ano yung magiging reality mo. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate kayo, Sagittarius, sa inyong monthly Tagalog reading. Natapos ang reading na to sa ganap na 12:20 p.m. August 7, 2024. And if it doesn't resonate, Sagittarius, I will tap into your energy next time. See you on your next month reading. Take care. God bless and mahal ko kayo, Sag. Bye!